Hey, happy Saturday. I'm Dana Williams from the Tig Tig Realty team at Remax Fine Properties. You can hear the lawn mowing, that's how you know it's Saturday. I'm here at 9507 Sweeney Brook Lane, which is in Bonbrook Plantation, Rosenberg, Texas. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's zoned to incredible schools. I'm gonna be here from 2 to 4 this afternoon, so come check it out. But in the meantime, let me show you my 3 favorite things. I love to host, so I'm gonna have to go with this great kitchen as my thing number 1. Look at all this extra counter space. People can sit there, watch the game while they eat, or help you chop vegetables. There's plenty of room for extra helping hands and for serving in here. Favorite number 2 is this cozy family room. I can't pass up a fireplace next to the TV. It makes me feel so homey. By the way, Melody, I got you covered. This one tied for number 3. You'll have to come and see what the other third would be. This is the primary bedroom. It's nice and large enough for a seating area, and it's got a great bathroom, garden tub, separate shower, and built-ins in the primary closet. Okay, my friends, there you have it, my 3 favorite things from 9507 Sweeney Brook Lane in Rosenberg. Come out and see me this afternoon.